Welcome to an extraordinary opportunity to acquire one of Sydney's most exceptional landmark waterfront properties. Nestled in an exclusive cul-de-sac, this luxurious tri-level residence sits majestically above the harbourside rockpool, occupying a prized northeast-facing parcel of land on the Sydney Harbour. This architectural masterpiece offers breathtaking views from every level, with virtually all rooms embracing the sweeping and intimate vistas of the iconic harbour. Recently reimagined by its current owners, the home takes full advantage of its deep waterfront position, providing an unparalleled living experience. The bold and breathtaking design features quality fittings and fixtures throughout, including a solid concrete build that exudes durability and elegance. The open-plan living and dining areas offer a seamless flow and premium versatility, perfect for both grand entertaining and relaxed family living. Step outside onto the large waterfront entertaining terrace, where bifold doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Equipped with a mechanical pergola, outdoor blinds, and outdoor heating, this space is designed for year-round enjoyment. Vaulted timber ceilings, fireplaces, timber flooring, and plantation shutters add a touch of sophistication and warmth to the home. The northeast aspect ensures perfect natural light and magical water views from every angle. The state-of-the-art kitchen, featuring a breakfast bar and millet appliances, is a culinary enthusiast's dream, combining functionality with exquisite design. This exceptional residence is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle, combining bold architectural design with luxurious amenities and breathtaking natural beauty. It offers an unparalleled living experience in one of Sydney's most coveted locations. Don't miss the chance to make this iconic waterfront property your own and enjoy the ultimate in Sydney Harbour living.